All right, in this video, I am going to attempt to install Azure Search OpenAI demo. This is ChatGPT plus enterprise data with Azure OpenAI and cognitive search. So basically, this is going to let me have my own private instance of ChatGPT powered by Azure OpenAI. It is enclosed and will take advantage of my E5 license. I've already installed the prerequisites. I'm going to go ahead and I've already logged in. So what I'm going to do now is type in azd init-t Azure Search OpenAI demo. Let's go ahead and download this code here. Environment name, that is fine. All right. Next, I want to type azd up, which will provision Azure resources and deploy the sample and resources. Let's do that. azd up. Let's see, I'm going to choose my Azure subscription. First one here. I'm going to choose option number 40, East US. And let's see what it does. Let's see, please enter a value for OpenAI resource group location infrastructure parameter. Let's see. I guess I'll do East US. Let me see. What are other people doing here? Let's take a look at issues here. Enter a value for the OpenAI. Interesting. Looks like someone else has this issue. All right, well, I'm going to try Eastern US. Let's see, good luck. And it says, let's see, locations, East US, France, South Central, up-to-date list of regions and models. Click here, GPT 3.5. Yep. Now, where's my locations here? South Central is temporarily unavailable. Well, that's good to know. And GPT 3.5 is, looks like it's based out of East US. And all right, let's try East US. Yes, please. Let's see if this works. All right, so it is creating my resource group. Let's take a look inside of my, so there's my resource group there, East US. So it's updating resources here. If I want to check the status, I can log in to the portal and let's make a new tab here. See if I get any errors. Looks like so far, so good. This is a good sign. Before I was getting some errors on this OpenAI, but it looks like it's actually going through. So one thing that I did before and it failed was I actually selected East US 2. Then I was looking at some of the comments on the issues here, and other people have the same issue as me, so they suggested selecting East US, which is what I did. So let's see if this actually deploys. So here's my resource group. It's my plan, form recognizer, storage account. There's my OpenAI, cognitive search. Maybe we'll get lucky, huh? What we can do is do fingers crossed. And if I'm done, I should have a little website I can go to where I can actually start to test it out. Just take a look at the commits here and seeing if anyone is forking this or seeing what's going on. Let's see some of the other issues we have here. Upgrade prompt prefix, citation, non-existent files. Hmm. Look at this. Links are to single PDF pages. Let's see what this says. Upload a large PDF file, search as content, press the attached document link. Hmm. Nope. So what they're saying is they want one PDF. They don't want the PDF broken up. So what happens is when you process documents, what it does is it actually chunks them up into separate PDFs, which makes searching them even better. So let's see right here. We've got a issue called new PDF doc issue after running prep docs. After completing the steps to add documents and running prep docs, I'm experiencing an issue where documents are not searchable through index in the application. Interesting, looks like someone has a issue with the prep docs Python script. Prep docs is the docs that gets your document in searchable form. And once this is deployed, we'll go ahead and show that. All right, so it looks like it is running. So what it's doing right now is it is running the prep docs script, and it's looking for my indexer. My indexer is GPT index. All right, and what it's doing is it's looking at a file in this folder called benefits option.pdf, and it is going to make it searchable. It then uploads it to my blob storage. And you can see that it takes one PDF and it parses it up, right? It chunks it up into these different sections here. And it's got a couple PDFs in here. So again, it's a pretty big PDF, and now it's doing one more. And these files are actually located, see if we can't find them here. They should be in, let's refresh this, OpenAI 3. And if we go to, let's see, maybe it's under application. Nope, not there. Let's try scripts. No virtual environment. Nope, not there. Let's see, where is this little file here? Data. Here we go, data. That is where my PDFs were, right? So as you see they're here, and they're single files, but they have to get chunked up. And that's what they're doing right here. They're actually chunking them up. Last one being role library. All right, so now it is deploying it on the back end. Close this up. Let's see if I can't find that. So let's go to resource groups, OpenAI dev. Here's my cognitive search. Here's my plan. There's my storage account. If I look in here, let's see if I can't find where those files have been broken up here. So let's open up and explore possibly. Open Azure Storage Explorer. Nope, let's go to, close that. Nope, nothing there still. Okay, let's see, how do I get to that storage space? Let's go to home, and let's go to storage browser. Here we go. And inside of here, looks like it's still, let's try blob containers. Here we go, content. And you see the content is where my files are split up here, right? So this is where it's actually splitting up everything. But what we're going to do is we're going to try to search against these documents when we're all done. In fact, let me make a little bookmark to there. There we go. All right. We are almost there. I'll close that. Deployment is complete. That's good. Here's my application backend service. Yeah, let's hope it doesn't cost a fortune. Let's see if it did anything here. Okay, so it did make this search inside of here. Made that for me, succeeded. That's good. So we're still deploying. We're just playing the waiting game right now. Okay, so looks like my application was deployed. It took about 14 minutes here. Let's see if we can't click to follow. Let's copy the link here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to click here, and the app is running. Now it said that we might see a little Python message here. Let's see. I think I saw that at the bottom over here. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Python. Well, I think I saw that. Here we go. It may take a minute for the application to be fully deployed. If you see a Python developer, wait a minute and refresh the page. So let's go ahead and go back here and refresh. There we go. Look at this. Let's see if I can actually search here. So let's say chat with your data. What is included with my health plan? So we got two different options here. We got chat and we got chat with data. So let's try this one. If we're lucky, we'll get a interesting. So that one says do not have details. You should contact. Let's say okay. Let's try this one. Does my plan cover annual eye exams? And it does. If I click here, in fact, let's make this bigger here. Look at this. I actually get a reference to my PDF. This is awesome. Excellent. And I can take a look at the where it's getting this information from. It's searching, scraping these documents here. And yeah, that's really cool. Let's go to thought process. Here's the prompt that's built in here. I could probably change it to something, you know, more detailed if I wanted to. Let's try something else here. Let's try this. Let's show you how to process some data here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up Visual Studio Code. And I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to actually open up a folder. Open folder. And I'm going to move to OpenAI 3 and select this folder here. Okay. And if I expand my data, you see that I've got these PDFs already in here. I can right click and it's going to take me to where I want to go. But what I want to do is I actually want to replace these and show you how that works. But I'll also show you how to run the prep docs script as well. So let's see, where's my prep docs? Let's go to scripts. Prep docs is the one that I'm going to be running, right? And this one is actually going to initiate the scraping of the documents and getting them into the index here. All right. So if I've already got data in here, I don't want this data anymore. I'm going to delete this. Yep, I'll say move to recycle bin. It's fine. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to put in a new PDF and show you how that works. So I think I've got some already. Let me go to, so I can find these. Let's do Google cheat sheet PDF. Okay, So let's take a look right here. This is a PDF I'm going to use. This is a SANS document. Let's see how this one's going to work. So I'm going to copy this one and see if I can extract some of these Google foo and see how this is going to help me. So I'm going to close this out, and I'm actually going to drag a file over to the data. There's my cheat sheet. All right. And what I'm going to do is run the prep docs Python script. And let's go ahead and do AZD auth login to make sure I'm logged in here. Okay. And let's go back to Visual Studio Code and let's run the prep docs. Okay. So it's now running the Python script here, processing my files, extracting it using Azure Form Recognizer. We do have a section here. It says section ends with unclosed table, starting next section with table offset 0. It looks like it indexed it here. So let's see if I can't search with this document. Let's see. Operator examples, advanced operators, search parameters. Let's try to search for advanced operators. So let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to switch here. I'm going to say, okay, what advanced operators can I use for Google search? And you see right there, it actually referenced it from this one here. Number range. Let's see if that is accurate. As date, as looks like octet. Let's see what we got. There we go. There's my date. Well, let's do a search here. Let's try this as site search. Oh, right there. There we go. Nice. Okay, so we know that it is now was able to extract that, even though it was in a chart graphic here. That's cool. Let's take a look at this citation. I'm curious about this one. What is this? This one. Yeah, I'm not sure what that was. Let's try the other one. Google cheat sheet PDF. Okay, look. So basically, reference that. That looks awesome. All right. So that is how you have your own enterprise GPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on editing it and fixing some prompts on the back end here and see what we can come up with. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.